But perhaps the more objective justification for celebrating the contribution of the ILC has been to raise the status of official languages within the regulatory and statutory systems of both statewide and local government levels of power and influence. So at several junctures, the ILC has been called on to provide expert witness to governmental committees or to law court cases where, because they're an international non-political organisation with a wealth of experience, their evidence is taken as authoritative based on a widespread best practice and a great deal of experience. So in many ways, I think their contribution has been critical in upholding language rights, those that have already been established, and anticipating what future rights may be developed in the field.